So listen, if you're having a hard time deleting apps off your iPhone, it isn't you. Well, I mean, it is you. I mean, it's me. But let me show you how to do it. What I mean about deleting apps is, if you go into your library here, and let's say you want to delete Instagram. Let's just say that Facebook app, Instagram. If you click on it, you don't get a deleting button here to delete app. You can do it the way that other people tell you to do it. Hold on, and you get it. You don't get the little negative screens here, the little negative icons above the icon itself. So anyway, here's what you need to do. Let's go done. Go into your settings. Go into screen time. Now you're going to want to go into content, privacy, and restrictions. Go into iTunes and App Store purchases. Then you'll see right here, delete apps. This says don't allow. I think this is by default. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. They don't want you to delete stuff. Then go to allow. There you go. There you have it. Now delete whatever you want, whenever you want. You know what I mean? All right, bye-bye.